Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple cider bourbon cocktail. It's perfect if you love the flavors of apple cider and caramel and a little bit of bourbon to give it some kick. So let's get started. You're going to use our cocktail shaker set. So the little jigger here has the measurements on the inside. I'm altering this recipe slightly because I don't like this to be terribly strong. So let's see here. We're going to start first with some brown sugar simple syrup. I've already made this. I will be posting the recipe. It's a blend of brown sugar and some water. It's like simple syrup, but it's made with brown sugar. So we need an ounce of this. And we need an ounce. This is a 2-ounce jigger, so I'm going to measure both. An ounce of half and half. It'll give a little bit of creaminess. And then the recipe calls for 2 ounces of bourbon. I think that's too strong. You will probably disagree, but I think that's too strong. So I'm gonna add some ice to my shaker cup, and then we'll pour this over the top. And we'll do the 1 ounce of bourbon. Now, if you have a favorite brand of bourbon, tell us. I really don't know very much about bourbon at all. I know that I like it in the sauce for bread pudding. I think that's pretty awesome. So an ounce in there, and that's the half strength kind. And then 2 ounces of your favorite apple cider, or excuse me, 4 ounces of apple cider. So there's 2, and we'll do 2 more. Okay, so when you're mixing drinks, you will shake it in your shaker just to make everything super cold. So you're gonna take the top here and you're just gonna shake it vigorously. It's going to get kind of frosty on the outside. And this will help get your drinks super cold without diluting them. Okay, you can see how frosty that is. And then just kind of twist, it breaks the seal. And then we've got our strainer here. So let's go ahead and pour it in the glass. I've got a glass with some ice. I'll just pour. Does that look good? And then we're gonna make a little bit of garnish over the top. You could just stop here if you want to, but we're gonna make it look pretty. So I'm gonna take one of our straws. This is our stainless steel straw set. They come with 2 and a cleaning brush in a packet. And then we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of apple cinnamon stick and some caramel. So you want the center slice of your apple. So slice on either side of your stem, just like this. And then we're gonna cut a slit about halfway up. It's kind of the same thing you would do if you were cutting an orange or a lime, right? And you can put it right on the edge, just like that. We've got some cinnamon stick. This is just for pretty. And then you'll take some caramel sauce. Now, if you have it in a squeeze bottle, that's great because it's already kind of soft. I've got a jar here. I put it in the microwave slightly, and we're just gonna lightly drizzle the top. Try not to make a mess. A little bit on the apple. And there we have it. How does that look? Will you give it a try? It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Enjoy it. I hope you'll try it.